Welcome to the Promenade West at the Forum, where luxury and affordability meet. Welcome to the gated community of Lindsford, with a central location just off Colonial Blvd and Interstate 75 and located minutes to the downtown Fort Myers River District and the beaches of Southwest Florida. This spectacular home offers a massive great room floor plan that opens to its expansive kitchen with a beautiful center island, offering extended granite counters and an amazing amount of storage. Boasting 3 large bedrooms and an upstairs den, this home has plenty of room for everyone. The Screened Lani offers a beautiful view of the lake and perfect for evening entertaining. Lindsford offers resort living with a clubhouse, resort pool and spa, basketball, tennis, Bocce Ball, fishing pier, Tot Lot and on